guys, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be giving you the inside scoop on jump lines. Jump lines, also known as chatter and stuttering, are the unintended horizontal lines or rings around either the side of a container or pillar candle. The lines give the wax a rough or slightly rigid appearance and prevent your candle from having that creamy, smooth, desired appearance. While jump lines are typically seen in container candles poured in clear glass, such as these, you can also see them in pillar candles as well. The cause of jump lines can be pouring the wax at too low of a temperature or can occur when the container is too cold. Jump lines occur because the wax is congealing immediately and is setting as more wax is poured on top of it, thus forming ridges or lines. To prevent jump lines, make sure you're pouring your wax at the recommended temperature. Pour temperatures can vary depending on the wax. You'll also want to be careful not to heat your wax to a temperature that is too high. This can cause some of your fragrance to burn off. If you are working in a cold space, you may need to heat your glass or molds before pouring into them. This can easily be done with a heat gun by holding the heat gun about an inch or two away from the glass and gently passing the gun from left to right. Also, not all waxes set equally. Be sure to use a quality wax like virgin coconut soy or cocoa apricot cream from the Wooden Wick Co. Ready to get started making wooden wick candles? Get one of our wick sample kits to begin burn testing. We've included the link for you below. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Have you experienced jump lines before? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Maker's Moments. Happy making!